big breaking news now coming in from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court refusing to hear the BJP MP's plea, saying let people breathe clean air, spend your money on sweets. Supreme Court refusing to hear BJP leader Manoj Tiwari's plea, challenging the blanket ban on the crackers in the national capital. His lawyer, advocate Shashank Shekhar Jha, had sought urgent hearing, citing the approaching Diwali, and had moved the Supreme Court. Legal editor Harish Nair joining us on the broadcast. Harish, this is a big setback for the BJP leader. The Supreme Court saying let people breathe clean air, instead spend your money on sweets.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Now there is no chance that the Supreme Court here BJP leader Manoj Tiwari's petition challenging the blanket ban, because the Supreme Court is closing for Diwali vacations tomorrow evening, and before Diwali there cannot be any hearing. So the Justice M.R. Shah told advocate Shashank Shekhar Jha that let people breathe clean air, spend your money on sweets. This was when he informed the court about the approaching Diwali date, and said that the court should intervene and lift the blanket ban, and had remanded the court that as per earlier Supreme Court's order, green crackers were not only green crackers were allowed, but also all crackers which did not have barium salt in it. But so the Delhi government's blanket ban is a clear violation of the Supreme Court's earlier directions. But Supreme Court was not inclined to hear it, and also once again reiterated that we had issue but regarding Delhi and NCR, we had in fact issued a specific order, because in Delhi and NCR pollution is high. Remember, contending that the freedom of religion cannot be taken away under the pretext of right to life, Manoj Tiwari had sought directions to the city government to issue fresh guidelines with regard to sale, purchase and bursting of permissible crackers. He questioned the blanket ban when the Supreme Court itself had permitted the bursting of green crackers and crackers which did not have the noxious barium salt. But today the Supreme Court rejected the plea, saying that let people breathe clean air, spend your money on sweets.
Okay, all right. So, Harish, it's a big setback for those who are planning to celebrate with firecrackers this Diwali. Thank you for joining us with those details.